Hi, I'm Belle from the Sonoma Test Kitchen. Today I am firing up my grill to make a delicious and summery seafood spread. And I am doing it all on my new favorite outdoor cookware by GreenPan. This cookware has upped my grilling game in a major way. Not only has it transformed my gas grill into an entire outdoor kitchen, but it makes grilling a lot of my favorite foods a lot easier, even the ever-intimidating seafood. As an avid griller, I actually prefer to grill this way. You still get the fun of cooking outside, but with this specific cookware, you get the convenience and versatility of cooking with nonstick cookware. So let's get cooking. I'm going to start with the clams and the mussels. So in the deep skillet, I'm just gonna add a little olive oil and saute a little garlic. Next, I'm gonna add a little parsley, and then next up, the mussels and clams. I'm also going to season with a little pepper. Generous pinch of kosher salt, of course. And I can't forget the key ingredient, which is a nice generous splash of some white wine. Now I'm gonna place the lid right on the top. This lid comes with this pan. It's great for simmering or steaming right on your grill, and let them do their thing. Next up are some lobster tails and lemon. Now I'm an East Coast girl, so this makes me very happy. I have some nice lobster tails that have just been marinating in some herbs and garlic and some olive oil. I'm just gonna place them, oh, that sizzle is exactly what we wanna hear, right on the grill. What I love about this grill pan is that it has the rivets, so you'll get that nice charring and those nice lines, even though you're not making the lobster directly on the grill. While my lobster tails are cooking, I'm just gonna give my clams and mussels a good check. They look delicious, all that steam, and they're slowly opening, which is great. My mussels are all done, so I'm just gonna take them off the grill and just put them to the side. My lobster tails are done. I can tell because the meat in the lobster is very opaque. It's not see-through anymore. And just continue with the rest of my lobster tails. Next up for my delicious seafood spread are shrimp and scallops. So I'm just gonna move our lobster right over and put my plancha right here. My plancha has been heating up for a few minutes, so I'm ready to add the shrimp and scallops. Because this is non-stick, I don't have to add any fat to the plancha. I love grilling with this plancha for a lot of reasons. A lot of these smaller foods that usually, fall through the grates of a grill won't do that because I have a nice solid surface. Especially scallops, shrimp, any delicate fish, small mushrooms, asparagus. I could go on and on. You'll know your scallops are done when they start to get opaque up the side, so I'm just gonna give them a nice turn. Perfect, and you can see the beautiful coloring. Again, this plancha is so great for searing. All my seafood is nice and grilled up. It smells delicious. I'm just gonna put it all on a nice big platter. This is great for sharing. And I can't forget my mussels and clams. This looks so good. Wow, it smells amazing. I'm just gonna give it some fresh chopped chives. And there you have it, the perfect, fresh and flavorful summer meal, all made right here on my grill. Made easy thanks to GreenPan Outdoor Cookware. To learn more about this cookware and get this recipe, head to williamsonoma.com. Happy grilling.